everyone, I just wanted to let you know that my camera is not zooming in. It's probably time for me to get a new camera, but I just wanted to show you. This is the the UV lime from Kryolan. Alright, I'm going to just do my best to do it, and then I try to zoom in on the editing. Alright, so I'm going to use my 180. And this color right here looks like the neon lime color, so that's the color I'm going to be using. I'm using brushes that I used before, so there's probably going to be green on this, but I'm going to dip it in this black color up here. St. Patrick's Day, I used the brushes, so I'm just trying to just reuse them. So it's going to probably be a blackened green. For the highlight color, I'm just going to take this really, really light green. I might mix that with white. Anyway, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, unfortunately, my camera started working again. I wish it would have did that before when I was doing my eyes, but again, I'm going to try and fix that in editing. I think I'm gonna have to call up I put insurance on it. I don't know if it was for a 2-year insurance or 4, but let's see what happens. So anyway, I used the Pastel Dreams from LA Color, and it's like a pastel lime green, and I put that on my lips, and I mixed Mint to Be with New York City from Lime Crime to get this color. Probably gonna have to go out and get my package, so I'm probably gonna change that to a nude. Anyway, hopefully when I go to take the pictures, the camera will start working again. Anyway, I had to, my husband wanted me to go with him to a church lunch, so I made sure my hair was nice and clean for yesterday, but when I go out and the wind starts blowing through my hair, it gets frizzy again, and I was just too tired to curl it, because I had to get up early to go to the lunch. Ever since my hand was injured at the hospital, I can't get up before 10:30. It's horrible. It's very frustrating. So anyway, so I'm really tired because yesterday I forced myself to get up earlier. It's just, it's like I've never really been through this unless I'm sick, that I cannot get up. But I went with him, and so now the wind blowing through my hair was really nice out yesterday, and so my hair's like frizzy. I put like 3 different moisturizers to try to tame it. Anyway, so yeah.